Having trouble seeing the WhatsApp instant video message option on your Android device? It might be caused by your phone settings or an outdated app version. Don't worry though, I'll walk you through some simple fixes to get it working again. Let's get started. Solution 1. Update WhatsApp. The instant video message feature is only available in the latest versions. Open the Google Play Store. Search for WhatsApp. Now make sure your WhatsApp is updated to the latest version. If there is any update available, simply install it. After updating, see if it's showing or not. Solution 2. Confirm internet connectivity. A poor internet connection can cause WhatsApp to disable some features temporarily. Swipe down from the top of your phone to open the control panel. Now switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Then do the opposite. And after that, check if the option is back. If it's still not back yet, this time tap on airplane mode. Keep this on for 10 seconds. After that, toggle it off. This will temporarily reset your networks and fix glitches. See if your problem is fixed now. Solution 3. Update your phone. Some older Android devices or operating system versions may not support all new features. Ensure your Android OS is updated to the latest version. Go to your phone settings. Find the option called Software Update. Tap on it and install any updates available. After updating, check for the option again. Solution 4. Reinstall WhatsApp. If all the previous solutions don't work, try this as the last resort. Doing this will make you log out of WhatsApp, so be sure of it before doing this. Now tap and hold on to the WhatsApp app icon. Tap on Uninstall. After that, confirm the uninstallation. Then go to the Play Store. Search for WhatsApp. Install it from there. After the reinstallation, open WhatsApp with your credentials and the problem should be fixed. And that's it. Now you know how to fix the instant video message option not showing on your WhatsApp. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tutorials. Catch you in the next one.